to roll these?
Yeah, man. I know how to roll everything. In Caleb's kitchen, we like to roll them up and eat them. Ooh, yeah. There you go. You gotta get it double time. See it right there? You gotta get it double time. There you go. That's a nice big burrito. You see that? Now right here, we'll walk through some steps with you. And my guest star today is Bradley Stalter.
Yeah, today we're going to learn how to make a taco. Here's our meat. Now, you don't want to get too much on there. Just the right amount. Yeah, just about that much on there. Next, we're going to use our spoon to organize them. Just like good stuff.
You don't like messy tacos.
Here's our lettuce. Some nice shredded iceberg lettuce. Organize this here. I prefer to have more lettuce. Nice mild cheddar cheese.
What's your favorite type of lettuce? Do you like romaine, iceberg?
I prefer iceberg over romaine.
Alright.
Now cheese on the other hand, definitely need mild cheddar.
Oh yeah, mild cheddar.
Gotta get that perfect. Perfect amount on each side. There we go. Then let's squish all this up together right here. You know you're making a good taco when you see the 3 lines of awesomeness. Now we want to add our swirlies of taco sauce. Right, oh, too much. Right there. And that'll even out. Nice, even.
Now let's see how you roll them.
We're gonna roll that side. Bring this side. I want to turn the plate. Bring it over. I'm going to try to bring the tortilla over and tuck it so it doesn't leak out. I'm going to roll it, compact it, and there's a nice solid burrito.
There we go. Now it's time to eat them. Now a good taco is nothing without a good person to eat it with.